morning, everyone. This is February 14th, a Monday. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar, and I'm going to do something a little different today. As most of you know who watch my videos, I calculate out the day's trading zone based on Taylor's book method plus several other smoothing averages to find where the market is likely to trade on any given day, and I use it to guide my trading. And it's Taylor's book method, by the way, has been successfully used, and it's used every day by almost all professional traders. Today, as I start the day every day, I do today, but I'm going to call your attention to Wednesday, not today, Wednesday at 2:30, the FOMC minutes are going to come out. Now that's going to be the big news of the week, unless, moving over to the morning's news, unless Russia and Ukraine tensions get a flame up with Russia sending its troops and tanks into Ukrainian territory. That would put a damper on the stock market for sure, and that would be horrendous, not only for the economy, for the world economy, but of course for Ukraine. Nevertheless, today, as I said, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to actually give you my trading zone numbers. Now, these two candles are the actual trading areas where the market where prices transversed on the last two trading sessions. This was Thursday. This was Friday. Today, on Monday, we are opening up just at Friday's close, and I'm making this video about a little less than an hour prior to the market open. Today's trading zone support is at 43.89, resistance at 44.95. I calculate this out every day and I send it out to my subscribers. I use it as a guide to guide my trading, and if you are looking to be a student of the market and not just guess, I would advise you to subscribe, at least take a trial subscription at timelessdollar.com. At any rate, again, today I want to get this up on YouTube before the market opens. Resistance at 44.95, support at 43.89, and of course we always want to mark our chart with the prior close, which was at 44.08. So this is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar. I hope your team won the Super Bowl. It was a great game, no matter whether your team won or lost. At any rate, have a great day, trade safely, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.